10 steps to washing your hands. Step 1. Wet your hands and apply soap. Step 2. Rub your palm together. Step 3. Rub the back of your hand with your palm, the right one and the left one. Step 4. Interlock your fingers and rub your hands wet. Step 5. Cup your fingers and rub your cup palm and the opposite hand, then swap. Step 6. Enclose your left hand with your right palm and rub well, then swap. Step 7. Rub the tip of your fingers over your left palm and then swap. This way, we clean away dirt that may have been left under your fingernails. Step 8. Rub away your wrist with the opposite hand, then swap. Step 9. Rinse off of your hands. Step 10, the last one, dry your hands with a clean dry towel.